Hey y'all, so I wanted to give you a sneak peek into the newest premium lesson that I just dropped on February 1st, and it is called the Shampoo Lab, Brand Your Product, Educate Your Classmates. And so when you go to the Cosmetology United website and you click on premium lessons, again, well, you click on instructor resources first, and then you click on premium lessons. So let me show you. So click on instructor resources, premium instructor resources, and it's going to take you to this page, and you'll just scroll down to the bottom. You'll see the latest lesson that I just dropped. You click yes, I need this, and it takes you here to where you can read more. And then it gives you a little brief introduction to the lesson, and you can click join now. And when you click join now, it's going to give you access to be able to sign up. Basically, just create a little, just put in your email address and a password, and it'll give you access to the files. But this page just tells you the benefits of the lesson and a little sneak peek of, or a little small overview of what's included, basically. But when you get access to the lesson, it's going to look like this. There are 4 files included in this lesson, so I'm going to go through them really quickly with you. So the first one that I want to show you always is the lesson plan. And the lesson plan is, an overview, everything you need to know. And then, of course, you have the actual presentation that you will put on your board for your students to be able to follow. So be mindful that this is not a lesson for the full chapter, but this is the specific lesson for the types of shampoo section to help it be a more engaging assignment and activity, and to make sure that your students are having fun and learning and not just sitting down trying to memorize, doing a worksheet or anything like that. So all of my lessons are project based. They are always going to be something fun and engaging to help the students to have fun in class and learn. So this is your presentation that includes everything you need to present. And then you have client scenario cards. This is included as well. So there are a bunch of different cards with different scenarios. They have pictures of the clients, and it just includes what you need for students to be able to read through scenarios and identify the correct type of shampoo that each client needs. So that's there. And then last but not least is a student example of a completed presentation once the students actually do the project piece and submit it. So this is what's included in this lesson. Like I said, it's engaging, it's hands-on, it's fun for the students to do, and it just changes up the flow of the classroom and allows the students to learn in a fun way. So I just wanted to share what was included in this lesson. I hope that you all check it out. It's $15. So get your lesson. See y'all later.